Hi, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today is another Blitz Your Kitz kit share. So it is for the month of November, and that means we are going to share a kit that we're going to work on in the month, and next month on December 15th I'll share with you what projects I made. We do have a theme, and it is, I think, holiday celebration, so you could take this in a couple different directions. Obviously I'm going with birthday as a celebration. This is an SCT sampler kit, as I have been doing throughout this whole year. I'm trying to use up these kits, and so this is the one for this month. So let me pull this out and I will show you exactly what's in the kit. Okay, so there are a few different vendors in this particular kit. We have Echo Park paper and ephemera, Simple Stories, alphabet sticker sheet, chipboard bits and pieces, and then from Stamps of Life we got some papers and some epoxy dots. Okay, so let's start with Echo Park. It is a sampling from a Birthday Wish boy and girl collections. I don't know if we get a sampling from both, maybe. A very typical Echo Park kind of look and feel. Some icons on the A side, and then the B side's usually a tone-on-tone print. Totally usable, so if you don't like some of the icons, you can easily use the back side. The tones are a little bit more muted in this one. I wonder if it is intended to be the boy collection or if it's a mix of both. I'm not really sure. In addition to the paper, there was a 4x6 card, and then some different ephemera pieces, and we've got like a hooray, happy birthday to you, celebrate you. So these are more than likely going to be cards. Probably would not do a layout with those. This is, I think, the first time we've ever had papers from the Stamps of Life. It's called Happy Day Papers. It looks like there's some cut-aparts. It looks like they might have a die that works with this. The back side is a really pretty, vibrant blue. And then a text with a solid yellow, circles that say Happy Meal, and then that blue again, a dot, pink confetti, postage stamps, red solid confetti, and more postage stamps. And also with Stamps of Life we did get these enamel dots. They are glittered. I mentioned that there were some things from Simple Stories, so there are these letter stickers. To be honest, these are not my favorite. They are paper thin. Great for like planners and stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe we'll try and use them on a card. And then I got a few little pieces of chipboard. Now this chipboard is very thin, like very thin. So it can easily go on cards without adding any bulk. And the last thing is a die that we've been getting in these kits from the SCT themselves. This one says Happy Birthday, and it's got the shadow, so very nice. So I anticipate a bunch of birthday cards, which I always need, and so be sure to come back on the 15th of December to see what I made with these. Also be sure to check out the other collaborators. It is a hashtag collaboration, so be sure to click on the hashtag to see what everyone else was up to. I challenge you to pick out a kit this month to Blitz, and leave a comment below if you are going to play along and what kit you chose and what you plan to do with it. And until next time, happy crafting.